Oh ho ho, look at this. This is funny. Someone did buy this and return it.
Don't ruin it.
Subscribe, you spaghetti noobs.
You serious?
Hey guys, Spaghetti Noob here. Today I am going to be unboxing and then eventually I'll do a review and I will use this Graco paint sprayer. So just before we unbox it, do a whole bunch of house projects, I figured let's get a paint sprayer. I got one a while ago. I got the Graco Project Painter Plus and I didn't open it because I didn't have time to do work on my projects. And then around Black Friday for $50 more, I saw that at least $50 more than what I purchased the Project Painter Plus. I found the X5, which is the first model into the professional series, while the Project Painter Plus is like the intro model for DIYers and homeowners like myself. But I figured once I saw that on Black Friday for $50 more than what I purchased the Project Painter Plus. Granted, I had to wait for like $100 rebate, which I'm still waiting on. It was still, or with the $100 rebate, it was only, this was $50 cheaper than the DIY model. So it was like $200 on sale with the rebate, which makes it cheaper than what I bought the Project Painter Plus for. So without the rebate, if for whatever reason the rebate gets lost and I don't get it, it was only $50 more expensive than the lower model, which I think was great because this is like a $400 unit. I basically got it for 50% off, which was pretty awesome. In any case, the difference between the Project Painter Plus and the X5, I think it's a quarter of a horsepower difference. I think this is 3/4 horsepower motor, while the other one had 1/2 horsepower motor, and then 75-foot of hose, and compared to 50-foot hose. The box itself is a little bit bigger. The unit is a little bit bigger. I didn't open, or I probably should have done the unboxing before I turned the other one, but I figured, it'll be similar unit. So let's go ahead and get started. Basement's a kind of a mess right now. Cut away from the body. Should be in view. We're going to open it, see it, and we're going to use it probably today. This one has, let's see. So it looks, just like that. It's in there. So let's take it out. Let's see here. Oh, cool. This one comes with the extension. I'm pretty sure that other one didn't come with an extension. That is awesome. I was about to buy one of these just now. I was about to go get some paint, and I was going to buy one of these. These go from anywhere from like $20 to $30 depending on where you get it from. This is, I think, the 20-inch extension. That's pretty awesome. That's awesome. I did not know that. I'm almost positive the other one did not come with one, so that's pretty cool. That's for extended reach, so you don't have to be on the ladder. So everything's connected. Here's the hose with your spray gun. This should be 75-foot hose if I'm not mistaken. I don't know if it says that on here. It doesn't look like 75 feet though. Ooh, and looks like water is coming out of it. I wonder if this was like a refurbished model or if someone returned it. Because it even looks like there's like paint on here. So I might have to return it and get it replaced. I don't know if I want someone else's machine. If you don't store these properly, then you need to store it with the storage chemical. So this even looks like a 50-foot hose. So I wonder what they're doing here. Here's the gun. There's your tip. Which, if that is the case, then I'm not going to be able to paint today. Itself. See it here. Okay. I don't want to completely take it. Oh, well, maybe it wasn't because it's in this packaging all right. But that just slips right off. So here you go. This will sit in here if it's not being used. If not, this will go in your paint bucket, up to a 5-gallon bucket or a regular 10-gallon or even a quart. And it should be self-priming. Actually, let me turn on this other light. I don't know, do you guys even see blue? Yeah, you can kind of see blue in the corner. So there you go. It's very light. I mean, I don't know. It's probably like 10 pounds. Cord seems like a decent size. Doesn't look like... I'm pretty sure this was like refurbished or used because look at the cord, how it is too. Plus there's this water. I don't know if you can see the water. The water is all on my floor. So someone probably cleaned this, returned it. See, you can't see it. Let's do this. There you go. You see the water? Water spots all over there. That came out of the hose. And it's on the box. What else is in the box? Here is your storage stuff. So this is the stuff that you're supposed to store it with. Your pump armor. Try to do as much research onto this thing before I bought it. This part doesn't look like it's used at all. I don't really know how to use it, but this part doesn't look used, which is good. It was out of the bag. I probably should have opened this like a month ago. I don't even know if I'll be able to exchange it at this point in time. What else we got in here? More water. More water. That's kind of weird. And on this bag, and this bag was empty. It wasn't holding anything. Unless it's supposed to come with water, which I'll have to research. Looks like this is a little valve. I think this is to clean. You put this on like either a sink or a garden hose, so you can put it on the unit itself, which I have to figure out where, so you can clean it out, because it's supposed to be really easy to clean. Just hook it up to water, and since it's I'll be using latex-based paints, I can just dispose of that naturally. I don't have to worry about taking it at any chemical place, since latex is water-based. And it's safe for the environment, or safer. There's a protection plan, and look at this. This is a receipt? There's a protection plan. Oh, ho, ho, look at this. This is funny. Someone did buy this and return it. This is great. Because there's their receipt here. They bought it at a different location. They bought it at a different location than when I bought it from. How much did they buy this unit at? They bought it at $2.99. So it looks like there was another deal or they even bought a replacement plan. That's pretty funny. Yeah, I definitely am going to go return this to the store and get a new one. That's really funny. What else is in the box? Oh, the pump armor. I showed you guys that already. And that's it. The box is empty. I'm really curious on what this hose is. The hose length is supposed to be 75 feet. Let's take a look at the box. This one includes 25-foot hose. Maybe I was mistaken. Maybe the other one, maybe the Project Painter Plus comes with longer hose. Comes with Duraflex hose, spray gun with in-handle filter, true airless spray tip for paint, pump armor, storage fluid, quick start guide. Before you leave the store, make sure you have all these additional items. Blah, blah, blah. Additional accessories you may want. So here you go. So look at that. I'm pretty sure that this person bought that extension and returned it with it because they probably thought it came with it. So I wonder if I even got the right spray tip. Is that spray tip 515? 515 spray tip. So it looks like the hose is right. I mean, it didn't look like 75 feet. It didn't look like 50 feet, so I guess it's 25 feet. I have to check the box on what the other one was. But in any case, the longer, I don't really need a longer hose at the moment. Let's take a look at this. See, look, they definitely used it. That's all paint right there. And water came out of the thing. So at least it is the right spray tip, and these things are really expensive. Usually these are like locked up. Depending on what store you go to, they're locked up and you need to get someone from the department to get it. So, well, that's kind of a funny surprise to see this with this unit. But that's basically it for now. I mean, here's everything that came inside of it. Looks like I got a bonus wand, though. Oh, I was picking that the wrong way. There you go. There's all the stuff scattered. Probably take this back to the store, get it exchanged, and once I get it exchanged, hopefully I can just start painting tonight or today. I was really not expecting this. This set me back basically an entire day because it's kind of late in the afternoon already when I'm recording this. Maybe I'll do like a quick unboxing and edit at the end of this video just to make sure all the contents are the same, you know. But that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you, and have a good day.